Interested in streamlining operations and enhancing productivity? Learn how you can become an industrial engineer and revolutionize industries. Industrial engineers design efficient systems that integrate machines, materials, and information. They optimize processes to save time, reduce waste, and increase quality. Start with an Engineers Australia (EA) accredited bachelor's degree in industrial or mechanical engineering. This is usually a 4-year course of study, including 3 years of undergraduate level and 1 year of honors level study. Prerequisite subjects include English, maths, chemistry, and physics. Consider pursuing postgraduate degrees such as Master of Engineering. You'll learn about systems engineering, operations research, and quality control, equipping you to analyze and improve complex systems. Internships are crucial for gaining hands-on experience. They help you apply what you've learned and expose you to real-world applications in manufacturing, healthcare, or tech. As you gain skills and experience, you'll find opportunities to lead projects, innovate processes, and potentially mentor the next generation of engineers. Your expertise could lead to roles in senior management or specialized consulting. After graduating, it is recommended to join Engineer Australia's National Engineering Register, NER. The NER credential allows you to showcase your skill, talent, and experience to more prospective employers and clients. Ready to make systems smarter and more efficient? Start your path to becoming an industrial engineer today by reaching out to your nearest AUG offices and start your educational journey now.